Welcome to Granddad's Kitchen.
Here we go. We're gonna do a roast chicken, but we're gonna roast this chicken with sweet potato stuffing. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we're gonna get our sweet potato, we're gonna boil it in this pot here, and got Irish to go with it just to make it up, season it up and everything. We've got our spinach back there. We're gonna put our spinach and our potatoes seasoned together to make our stuffing for our chicken. Then we're gonna season up our chicken. You can see we have our salt, we have our pepper, we have some pimento seed in there in this little cup here. Let me just get hold of that. Yeah, if you look at it, you will see the two different colors. We have a teaspoon of jerk and a teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning in there. Okay, so if we put that back there, and we have our scallion, we have our onion, we have our chili, we have our sweet pepper, a little piece of ginger, some thyme in the bag. Whatever else we add to this, we will let you know. But at the moment, what I'm going to do is get all this over to my chopping board. So my chili, I'm going to slice it down the middle and de-seed it. Okay? Carrots, little baby carrots, going to do those. Inside there we have some garlic. We're gonna nice up this chicken. We're gonna nice up our chicken. Where our ginger looks a bit, we're gonna see what we can save out of this, because like this end here, I mean, I like this. This just look dry and like it. So all I kind of look wrinkled like myself. Sorry about that. Yeah, so we're gonna crack on and we'll come back to you in a minute. Okay. Okay people, we're back again. As you can see, my water is boiling, so I'm just turning my fire down a bit because I don't want it to go too crazy. I just want it on a simmer. Right, I've got my bits and pieces all peeled. Wash your things. I'm gonna show you before, and it covered in all kind of muck. Yeah, and thyme, everything ready to chop up. Just gonna deal with it now, but first I'm gonna do kind of dice my potato, little bit of onion, little bit of thyme, chuck it all in there. And once it's all cooked and everything, we don't want it 2-3 minutes we want with our potato and thing, yeah? Then after that we lock the fire off, then we pile our spinach on top, cover it. Don't boil it at all, cover it. Then we deal with the whole lot together, mix it up, mash it up and everything to make our stuffing, yeah? So because I'm a one-man band, and you know how it go when you're a one-man band, I'm going to have to just come off the camera. I'm trying to organize it. It's on the way. So I can show you both bits and pieces. But you see me peel on all kind of something before. So I know nothing, I know a big thing, yeah? Anyway, let me stop talking and get on with it. See, my water down to a simmer. So I'm just going to get myself some salt now. Season my pot up. Little bit of garlic, little bit of thyme. Nice. John, no, nice. Okay, people, will soon come again. Okay, there is my potatoes and stuff all cooked up. Yeah. Now, what I'm gonna do now is, like I said, I'm gonna put my spinach on top of that and take it off the fire, lock the fire off, whichever. All the juices from it, once you've got everything done and you're ready to put it together, drain it into a container. Keep it, because that's got all the juices from everything that you're cooking. So that you could either use to make your rice and peas, whatever, or your gravy. Yep, so we're going to take that off one side. Now, that has been on the fire as long as it's taken me to prepare this. Now, we've got our sweet peppers here. We've got our onion, our garlic, our scallion, our thyme, our chili pepper. It's all chopped up and chopped up fairly fine. So the next thing we're going to do is get our baking tin over, stick that there, because we're going to use that. We're going to put our chicken in there and we're going to season up our chicken in there using this and our other ingredients. Okay, we may add more to it, but I always start off with a teaspoon of everything, excluding salt. Don't start off with a teaspoon of salt. Salt and taste. Salt and taste, don't teaspoon of salt. Now, your thyme, here's your thyme. You could either strip it like I have done here, which is time consuming, put it in the pot like I have here, and then once you finish, you take it out and dispose of it. Yeah, but if you chop it up, you're going to end up with a lot of little bits of stick. I call this stick, yeah. And it could be unpleasant, but again, like I always say, we're not feeding babies. You get it in your mouth. Sorry, yeah. Don't take it out your mouth. Keep it. Oh, Father, help me, Father, help me. Back on the track again, yeah. It looks pretty, it looks nice. So we're gonna get our chicken. We're gonna put our chicken in there, and we're gonna finish seasoning up our chicken. This we're gonna put our stuff in here, cover it down, off the fire, leave it, let the spinach just shrink. I'm gonna do that and come back. 1 second. There's my spinach, yeah. Take my pot off the fire. Now my spinach, I've made sure it's washed. Any little bits I see on it that I don't like the look of, I dispose of, because my girl done tell me already she don't want me putting nothing in her mouth that not clean. So I have to make sure it's it clean and ready to go, because she don't want nothing growing in her mouth. Can grow anywhere else, can put it, make it go and grow as big as it want to get, but don't put it in her mouth. Okay, so soon come again. Okay, this has been sitting about 2-3 minutes, and to me it looked like it ain't wittering down quick enough, so I've put it back on a very, very low heat. Keep the cover on it. Hopefully the moisture, steam moist, should help it along the way, because I need this to cool down before I don't want to handle it hot. Lukewarm or something, no problem, but I need this to go inside of the go inside. Dwale! I'm gonna stop it. Yeah. Seasoning. Powdered seasoning. You see, like I got them there now? I can throw them in my tin. Let me just throw it in there, so yeah. Mix it up. Yeah. Then get my finger, dip it in it. Taste it for salt. Taste it for salt when you mix it up, because these ain't got no salt. These ain't got no salt, so don't worry about that. Don't watch that. This is what have the salt. We're gonna add some soy sauce to that as well. I forget, some soy sauce going in along the way. Mix this up. Taste it for salt. If it's too salt, don't add salt. If it's not enough salt, then you can add salt to taste. Then season up your bird. My bird like a nice seasoning before me. Stop it! Stop it! Okay, there it is. This is what we're trying to achieve. So we do that, we just mix that around so the thing works. Right, now you can see where we are. And everything is everything. Fire is off, everything. So we're going to let that cool down now, like I said. Put the lid back on it, and then we will mix it up more than it is and get it all ready. So while that is doing what it's doing, I have my seasoning in my pan. I've added to that some pimenta and another teaspoon of all-purpose seasoning. So that's what I'm going to be using. If I just zoom over to here, there's my chicken. I've washed it and I've put it to sort of like sit up in the bowl, so all the liquid inside of the chicken will drain out. Okay, this is where we're at. It's a bit messy around there, but sure, we're doing this thing. Yeah, got ready, innit? Right, now our chicken, we've put it in here. We've taken all our seasoning off of here. We've added a little bit of oil just to help it to stick to the chicken itself, because blah blah blah. Our pot, we've taken everything out of our pot. You see those in the pot? Don't throw it. When you finish with anything like this, eat it. You get the taste of it. You understand? Right. This is the stuffing. The juices are in there. The juices. Okay. Now we got that all going on. I tried not to get nothing in there. Before you start seasoning your chicken, when you put it on there, get some tissues and just dry it off. You don't want it too wet on the inside, yeah? So, on that now, what we're going to do, this lot we're going to put back after. No, leave it at the bottom of the tray because you don't want it burned. We're going to take our chicken and we're just going to cock it up on the side here, so, yeah? Then we're going to get a fork, yeah? And we're going to get this. And we're going to get our chicken up. Just cock it up in the air. Just cock it up in the air and use the fork, yeah, and don't drink when you're cooking. Right, here's our chicken. We're gonna stick it in the oven in a minute. We're gonna cover it with foil. Everything's done nicely. I've used my fork and I've given that. So now I'm gonna put it in the oven and just bake it slowly, slowly, slowly. Don't rush it. This ain't like you're going to work and you look at it and it look nice and feel good and you want some before you go. No, this come after. This at tomorrow. Can you remember today? Yeah? Okay. So we're gonna wrap it and put it in. Okay, people, I've just come back in the kitchen. I don't know what the heck I came in there for. I think I'm losing the plot. But the aroma. Trust me, the aroma. Here's my chicken. It's at about an hour, maybe just over. You can see it looks really pale. Yeah. In here we have all the juices from our chicken and oils and everything. And in here we have our cup of sweet potato stuffing, sweet potato and spinach stuffing. So it's gonna be a butter in here. So we're gonna put this into here. This is gonna become our gravy. And see my fingernail, God almighty, oh my God, tell her somebody cut them now. Cha, Father, help me with that one because we don't dash with that video, yeah. If she see it and say what happened to your nail, people don't know business with that thing, yeah. Chicken, stock for chicken, mix up, blend up everything, good gravy. Okay, so we're gonna do that into there, and then we're gonna put our chicken back in here, put our chicken back in the oven, maybe 15-20 minutes. We're gonna check it. 15 minutes, 10-15 minutes, check it, yeah, see if it's browning nicely. Get rid of this, add to here. When it brown, flip the bird over, do it from the back end. Right, there's our chicken. We've taken our bits and pieces out and we've done what we said we're gonna do. See these juices? We're gonna leave these juices here because once this is finished, we're gonna take this juice here and we're gonna put this in here and we're gonna chuck in our roast potato. So in the meantime, in between time, we'll soon come again. Right, people. You see this? You see this gravy here? When you taste this gravy, if you don't drop down a ground and need somebody to come pick you up, you do it wrong. This is the juice from the vegetable and the thing what I tell you about, and the chicken. Put it together, people. Trust me. If this tastes so nice, imagine the chicken. Imagine it. How would you know to get the rice and peas on point? That we're gonna do it right now. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, there's our chicken. I flipped it. Trust me, trust me. You want to tell me so that don't look nice? Oh, Father, wrong. My rice is on there doing its thing. My gravy, I'm just gonna switch these pots around. I get this up the front now, a little bit of corn flour in it. Bam! That's it. Texture we're looking for now. That's all done. The potatoes in there doing its thing. We're gonna get soon come again. There, ladies and gentlemen, there is our chicken, our gravy, and our rice underneath there doing its thing. The chicken looks the business. Trust me. So I'm gonna just flip that over again, put it in the kitchen, in the oven, cause the roast potato in there doing its thing will be ready in 5. So with this, that as well. Put some corn flour in that, mix it up together, a little about a teaspoon of corn flour and a little bit of water. Boom. Need more corn flour, we just add it. So we do it as we go along. Okay, so finished now. Everything's off. It's all good. Ready for a plate. Excuse me. My potato. Oh, trust me. Look at that. Hot. I from please. Cheers, yeah. Business. Gravy. Let's get a spoon. Hold on, get a spoon. Consistency. If that's too runny for you, a little bit more corn flour. Couple minutes, 2 minutes after you got it a little bit thicker. You see your chicken? See all these pieces here? Trust me. Get me on here, suckers. Don't waste my Rastafari. The chicken, take 2 slices. People, trust me. The stuffing, listen me nearly eat after something. How I doing the people? There's something, I'm trying to talk food in my mouth. Anything in there, you see all of these pieces here, sir? Trust me. Taste them. Rastafari. Or that you got dash way? Believe me. Believe me. Yeah? You come to the right plate. Let me taste piece of chicken. Let me taste piece of chicken. See? Spoon me use and cut that, you know. Spoon. What can I people, the next time here, sir, I'm time my dish up with me now, I have no time for talk to now again. Later. There it is. I know I said I've been gone. I'm gone and da. But me stand up here and I eat the food from pot to pot to pot to pot. I said no, me some from plate. Me stop talk here. See the little drizzle. What can I say? Sure, I'm gone. Bless you. God know the food nice Rastafari. I've ever done this. Sleep and wake and call her.